Right dead center in the middle of my picture. She's hanging down. Hopefully that's where she's gonna be. Hey, here we are. This is number 4.
Yeah.
Yep, this is number 4, and she is a female. And of course, I just missed her because she was in this little chrysalis right here, which she made her chrysalis on the milkweed, which was totally unusual.
She says, "Can I leave?" Come on. Come on. You want to go? I brought you some dinner. Here, look. Want some dinner?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's all over that. And this left of the chrysalis. This morning, it was getting clear. And I got what I could up till probably about 9 o'clock. And then she must have hatched around 1:30.
She hatched when I sent you the message.
Oh.
I had just
walked away?
Walked away from
Jesus.
her. I'd gone in to go to the bathroom.
Oh.
And I came back and I was looking and I'm like, are you serious? I was gone like 3 minutes.
Wow. Ain't that something? So we got one. I've got a picture of one.
I just wanted to cry.
Just one.
I just missed it. And you know I've been watching her because I had to do everything to make sure she actually was all right.
Mm-hmm.
She's the one that had the toothpick and had
Right,
everything
that's what I was saying.
made. All this was
Right.
done to make sure she'd be all right.
Yeah. She's off.
She wants to go. She says, I'm good. Let me the hell out of here.
She still needs.
Come on. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. You can't leave. I'll hold you, though. I'll hold you.
There you go.
Hi. You're so pretty.
Yeah, beautiful.
And so poisonous.
Like flexing those, flexing her wings.
You know she's poisonous, right?
Yep. And you know, and it really didn't.
Look at her holding on funny.
I know.
Don't hold on funny. Come on, you're okay. Hold on the right way.
It really,
what are you doing?
And it really didn't matter the size of the chrysalis.
Look at me.
She's still.
What are you doing? Hello?
still
Look at her looking straight at me.
She was still huge.
Look at her looking straight at me. She turned her little head to look at me. What are you doing? Look at her looking, look at her looking, look at her.
Looking back and forth.
What? Do you want to go?
So we are four hours old.
Baby, I can't let you go yet. You gotta eat.
3.
You get yourself.
Well, it's 5 o'clock now, so she's about
sticking out and eat some of that, and I'll let you go tonight.
4 hours.
You gotta eat. You need every opportunity. You're okay.
Get strong, get those wings.
You're good. You're okay. We just don't want somebody to get you outside. Yeah, I know. Me neither. Oh, she's so cool.
That's awesome.
Come on, you come up here. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Is that better? He's sitting there with them all closed up, open them pretty wings. Oh, she's so pretty.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that other.
Oh, look at this.
Get that other camera, so I'll have 8 hours of record time.
Oh, she's a beauty.
You see?
You're right.
And again, it didn't matter the size of the chrysalis. She's still the same.
Well, she had a pretty good sized chrysalis. The one that we're wondering about is this little teeny,
Oh, is that the little one?
tiny baby one
Oh.
over here.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so this was another
She had a
normal.
pretty decent size.
Okay.
See?
Yeah, she's a normal. Okay.
Oh, you're not normal.
I'm getting confused.
Tell him. Say I'm not normal.
That's the other.
I'm extraordinary.
There they are.
Look at my wings. Tell me I'm normal. Ain't nothing normal about you. You're beautiful. Every one of you guys are different. You gotta go back in there and eat something. I'm gonna have to close the drapes down. I opened them this morning because it was too cold in there. Now it's too hot. Come on, baby. No, baby, come on. Come on, eat some of this. This is what you're eating. I went outside and hunted around and found you a good one. She says, I really don't want to get off you. I kind of like you. I've got food.
As you can see, she's a female. You can see how wide the black lines on her
I
are.
don't even taste
If
good.
it was a male, those lines would be pencil thin, and there'd be 2 black dots on either side of the wings where those real thick ones are.
Come on, I don't want to scare you. Come
We've
on.
got all females so far, so it's 3.
There's a baby. Come on, that's a good baby. Come on.
We've
There you go.
launched 3.
Come on, right down here. Right down here is milkweed. And a buddy to talk to. And some food. No? How about we try this? How about we try it like this? What do you think? What do you think? Look at that. That's food. That's dinner. Look at it. Come on, get right up there. Yeah, get right up there and get yourself some. Come on. Come on.
Get other lid up
You're smarter than the other ones, aren't you? Come on. Climb right up on there. Look at that. Now get that little thing going and eat something.
It's gonna be your normal food there.
Eat something. Maybe we should stick your little thingy out.
I'm not sure how yet.
They unroll it. It's just a black
Right.
ribbon.
I think it's the tongue.
Well, I'm not sure what it is. She says, nah, I'm just going to hang out here. I'm not going to let you watch me eat. I don't blame you. What do you think?
It's a beautiful combination of yellow and orange. Oh, shoot.
Dude, you need to come over here. You need to come behind me on this side. Look at her, she's getting ready to eat. She was just moving her tongue. head shakes. I'm trying not to shake.
Call it
Nope, she's not gonna do it. I thought she was gonna eat for a minute because she stuck her little thing out for a second. I wish she would.
Like kind of.
She says, I see the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, babe. You're not going out yet. Come on, babe.
See the sun?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm. Hold on to that. Here we go.
Come on, Lovey. Come on, Lovey. Come on. There you go. You're such a good baby.
Get yourself in such a bad angle.
Can't. She says, I want to go in there now. Come. Come on. I think you've had enough because you're going to hurt your wings. Here. Here. Like this? Come here. Nope. Come here. Nope. I know you see outside, don't you? That's not outside. That's not the outside. That's really not the outside. That's not the outside. That's a figment of your imagination. Watch this. The outside is gone.
Okay, thank you.
You little miss. Go right back in there and eat.
Jeez.
She's a toughie. She's ready to go. But that's probably how she's feeling right now. Would you just let me go? I can't believe she's that one that I thought wouldn't even make it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so okay, yeah, she actually was the last of the large chrysalis.
Yeah,
So now we got-
she's the one that was on the milkweed.
Got the next small one.
This rotten,
Right.
dead milkweed right here.
Yep. Now this is a
Look
small.
it, look it.
This is a small,
She's gonna climb up there.
real small chrysalis.
She says, no, over here.
And then we
That
got
was not doing anything. I left.
we got this one here, another small chrysalis. So my question is, how big are they actually going to be? Will they actually hatch? And will they be females or males? So
Females.
we shall find out. That's all we've gotten is females. So this is number.
That's all I'm getting.
This will be number 3.
I need